Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I've got another exciting bag to share with you. So this is the Vintage Coach Watermelon Tote Bag in the beautiful color Rust. I think that's what the color is anyway. And this bag is actually pre-serial number, so it has a creed, but it was made before they started using serial numbers. And it was also made in the original New York City factory. And I also estimate that it was likely made between the late 60s to early 70s. And the style number, I think when they did start using style numbers, at some point the style number for this bag was 9440. That's my guess anyway. So yeah, I'll go ahead and show you the bag now. So as you can see, it's a tote bag with two top handles and a kiss lock closure. Here, little coin purse type addition to the bag. So here's what the top of the bag looks like. It has a nice large leather zipper pull and then a larger I think brass zipper, so it's kind of unique to the older bags. It's kind of a unique type of zipper to this bag. And then here is the hang tag. It's a one-sided hang tag, as you can see. So again, here's the front of the bag, and then I'll show you the back. And then here's what the side looks like. Kind of tapers down from the top. And here is the other side of the bag, and then I will show you the bottom. So here's the bottom of the bag, and then I'll go ahead and show you the inside now. So here's the inside of the bag, and it does have this pocket that pulls out, and so it's got a nice, pretty large size pocket. And here is the creed, so you can see it. As you can see, it was made in New York City, and then it doesn't have a serial number underneath because it was made, I guess, before they started using serial numbers for the bags. So yeah, hopefully this gives you a pretty good idea of how much you could fit in the bag. I'd say it's probably medium sized. So that's the watermelon tote bag. It's a very beautiful rust red color. Like I mentioned, it's honestly really difficult for me to accurately pick up the color on video, but it is, you know, a very beautiful kind of burnt orange rust red color. So I will also link the Etsy listing below if you want to check it out, and I'll insert a photo of the bag that hopefully picks up the color a little bit better, but it is a really beautiful color in person. So yeah, that's about it for this bag. I will also link all the information on the bag that I mentioned earlier in the video down below if you wanted to refer to that for any reason. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.